Hello, good morning to all of you. I don't know, you may know me or may not be know me I am a public adjuster. I have started this career before 5 years uh, when I was working with my regular job. And now I have been retired from the regular job, but still making the income whatever I was uh, working when I was working and when whatever I am getting it. So let me introduce myself as a public adjuster again, and I am licensed in four states: New Jersey, Pennsylvania, North Carolina, and South Carolina. As such, insurance industries is heavily regulated by the eh, state rules. We need to have a license from each state. We have to give a bond for as per the state requirements. So we help the homeowners and business owners. We educate the property owners about their coverages, about their rights, and when they have a damages to their property, we'll help them. I help many people in last 5 years. Let me introduce. I am associated with one of the biggest public adjustment company in America, Pablo Metro Public Adjustment. Metro Public Adjustment is a public adjustment company backed by many attorneys, and we are associated with that. Metro Public Adjustment is founded by veteran Mr. Steve McCaffrey before 27 years, and the company is serving the peoples all over the America by their when they have damages by their professional representation to get the money from the insurance company is well compensated by the insurance company. Let us start with your home. If your home is important to you and if you feel your home is one of your most valued asset, then pay close attention. This is our goal to educate the public on how an insurance policy provides coverage, on the secrets of the insurance process, the dangers of handling your own claim, to show you the options you have before you file a claim, how you can obtain money for damage in your property. Do you know what type of insurance you have? Do you know what is the covered under your policy? How much coverage do you have? What is your deductible? What happens to your insurance if you file a claim? If you find this information valuable, would you consider a referral? These are all questions every time we go to the homes, to the people, public, when we ask majority of them, they might not be knowing all these things. They may know something. Do you know your claim is denied? Why? answer these questions. If you had an insurance claim, would you know what to do? Are you covered or not? Insurance company work hard to keep your money in their bank. They have adjusters looking out for their interest. Who is looking out for you and your interest? We found most insurance claims are underpaid. People need an advocate, someone who is going to stand up for them. We help home and business owners when they have damages to their property. Through professional representations, we make sure the insurance companies treat them fairly and, more importantly, pay them fairly. An example, typical claim. During a storm, the homeowner noticed water leaking into the bedroom, then into the dining room below. Later, they noticed shingles missing from the roof. The homeowner cleaned up the water themselves. This claim, when company's adjuster is looking to the claim, see how they can view a claim. There are 7 items they have considered. Exterior, minimum roof repair for missing shingles. For the bedroom, drywall repair minimum charge, tap and protect fan, spot seal and paint ceiling 1 coat, clean and deodorize carpet. And for the dining room, appearance allowance for slight cupping of the wood, floor in the dining room, spot seal and paint wall and ceiling 1 coat. While Metro field adjusters prepare a complete estimate showing the full extent of damages. For the exterior, proper roof evolution required replacement of 2,800 square feet of shingles. In the bedroom, replace wet insulations, detach and reset ceiling fan, replace affected drywall, seal and paint walls and ceilings of bedroom 2 coats. Replace carpet due to delamination of backing. Manipulation of heavy bedroom furniture. In the dining room, replace affected drywall, detach, reset, and repaint crown molding. Seal and paint walls and ceilings 2 coats. Sand, stain, and finish hardwood floor. Replace shoe molding. Paint baseboard, paint shoe molding, paint door, and 2 window trims. Remove and reset drapes. Contents, pack and store china and more dining room furniture. Living room, foyer and kitchens. Sand, stain and finish hardwood continuous floor. Replace shoe molding, paint baseboard and shoe molding, and in general, piano reset and retune if they have. Dust protection throughout the home. Debris removals, dumpster for roof shingles. And lastly, additional living expenses may be involved if upstairs is inaccessible due to the floor refinishing. There are 23 items. Now you decide How would you prefer to be paid? A or B? A, this is the how the insurance company can view a claim. B, the Metro Field Adjusters prepares a complete estimate showing the full extent of damage. Obviously, B. The Wall Street Journal magazine of personal businesses, a smart money magazine, they had a survey, and the survey bring the result. Roughly 80% of policyholders accepts its damage appraisals without seeking an independent opinions. Those 80% get only 25 to 40% of the dollar. How effective we are as a public adjusters, policyholders who use public adjusters received an estimated $9,379 on their claim as compared to the 1,391 for those policyholders that did not use public adjuster. A difference is 574%. This is not I say or we say, but it is the result of OPEGA report, Office of Program Policy Analysis and Government Accountability. Now, see yourself the list claim settlement with Metro. The first one, Apostolic Pentecostal Church, has a wind damage. Insurance company was Philadelphia Insurance Company. They denied the claim. When Metro involved, it comes to the settlement of $187,338.91 is covered. Next, Gibbs, hail damage, farmers insurance. Insurance payout is $2,556.79. When Metro involves, $11,497.45. It's 450% more. They get it. Xinjiang have a hail damage. Allstate Insurance paid only $370.85. When Metro involves, Metro brings $11,538.70. See the difference, 3,118%. Metro has served hundreds of thousands of clients. We are proud of our 99.7% claim handling satisfaction rate. We covers residential and commercial properties. Customer survey is our BBB rating is A+, having excellent damage that is covered typically in all risk policy is fire, smoke, lightning, explosion, ice damming, weight of ice and snow, collapse, vehicle car runs into house, weight of ice and snow. You can see in the pictures, vehicle hit the wall and damage the wall. Even though it is by the homeowner or their relatives, it is covered. Windstorm, rainstorm, covered. In the windstorm, the tree blown into the house, shingles blown off, siding blown off. While in the rainstorm, roof leaks, skylight leaks. Then Other damages are like melted siding, lifted shingles, burned carpets, siding damage, water through the window, ice and snow, burglary, smoke damage, pub back, water that enters the house from the ground or higher, paint overspray, roof leak, water through the window, hailstorm, hail damage to the roof, hail, tornado, hurricanes, and water leaks from the following is also covered: toilet, sink or tub, dishwasher, ice maker, washing machine, water heater, sewage backup, pipe breaks, drains, lines, and frozen pipes. Check if you have something like this, it's a claim. Water leaking the, under the sink, link dishwasher, leaking dishwasher, theft and vandalism like graffiti, eggs on siding, tenant vandalism. Some common losses like floor damage, hardwood, laminated or carpet is covered. Common losses we represent are accidental damage even if caused by the homeowners. Spilled bleach, cracked tiles, melted siding from the grilling, mold, code upgrades, and yes, even act of gods are covered. We have great smart claim memberships. Get a claim smart. Our free smart claim membership includes free policy review and property inspections, weekly smart claim tips, 24 by 7 emergency claim services, unlimited communications, email, text, phone calls, prevent the risk of claim denials, and annual policy review. About us, Metro Public Adjustment, as I said, is one of the largest public adjusting firm in the United States, founded in December 1993. It's veteran-owned, operate nationally, founding member of American Association of Public Insurance Adjusters, APIA. We are also socially responsible through our company. We send a net to save a life for every claims. We are donating the Operations Enduring Warriors, donating National Multiple Sclerosis Society. We plant tree to change the lives for every claim and for every policy coverage review is we call PCR. We feed hungry children of America through Feeding America. Metro has been business over 27 years, more than 27 years. Excellence is licensed by the Department of Insurance in 47 states and the District of Columbia in the most heavily regulated industries in the United States. We got A plus rating with BBB. We represent clients on percentage fee basis. Large catastrophic commercial or fire losses, fees are 10%. Small losses, fees are 35%. We do not charge the client unless the claim is paid, nor do we take a fee on the deductibles. Just this is my finish. I we can have a property inspections through a policy coverage review. If you interested, you can contact me. And if somebody wants to make a career in this business, he can contact me. As would you be would you agree the information that I represented to you is valuable? Would you consider allowing us to provide this information to your family, friends, and neighbors? Of course, yes, right? So I expect around our grade 8 referral forms to be filled by you so that your friends and family can get these informations. And career opportunities, do you know anyone who may have interested be interested in the full or part-time jobs? You can contact. Thank you. This all. You will be entered in our grant giveaway drawings. Grant giveaway drawings is done every week for 3 prizes and one grand prize once in a year, which which is the 3 Caribbean nights for 2 fully paid. Metro will also donate 1 meal for each referral for Feeding America. That's what I said. Thank you for attending these presentations by me. I am Govind Patel. You can contact me on my phone number 732-762-8818, or you can email me at gpatel@metropa.com. Thank you.